All right, here's my fourth generation boiler. Brand new. I've made changes in them now over the years, and I think this is the best. The firebox is all down below, and I can put large pieces of cordwood in it. It's 22 inches deep, 22 wide. And the boiler is 20-inch diameter by 30 inches tall, and it has 24 1.5-inch copper tubes rolled in that are almost like 28 inches long. They go the full length of it. So it will have a lot more heating surface, not only in the firebox, but in the boiler itself. So it's the best one, I think, and produces the most steam for bigger engines. You know, maybe 7, 8 horsepower engines. Got a brand new pump here. Airlock valve is right here. When you've got water coming out of there, it's primed, the pump is primed. And everything you pump now goes right into the boiler. There's resistance there. So that's really good. The pop-off valve is set at 100 on this one. I do have valves on a number of places just to test it, so I don't have to shut the boiler down completely. Like on the whistle over here, it leaks a little bit, but if I want to test other whistles, you know, I can just take them off of there. I don't have to shut the boiler down completely. So this valve helps a lot. Really nice gauge. I'll blow this whistle here, turn down your volume. Wow, this thing is loud. Your engine out is here, 1/2 inch. So I'm sure this pop-off valve will work properly, but I always put a valve on them now, so I can just remove the valve, the pop-off valve, and put another one on if that one doesn't work. There's so many I've had over the years that don't work properly. It stands about, I guess, about 80 inches tall, top to bottom. Still has a blower on it. So like when I put new wood in there or coal, I always give it a shot of steam. Ash pan is right here. Bigger door, firebox door, of course water sight glass, and tricox. This handle is kind of new. I used it on my last boiler. It doesn't get hot. How about that? So there you go.